Heron and Turtle. Two neighbors lived next to each other on the shore of Forest Lake. One neighbor was Heron, the other neighbor was Turtle. Hello, Heron, neighbor Turtle would say, floating by in his boat. How are you? I'm fine, thank you, replied Heron. And you? I'm fine, too, said Turtle. They were good neighbors. How Heron and Turtle went for a walk together. One lovely summer morning, neighbor Turtle stopped by his friend Heron's house. Good morning, Heron, said Turtle. It's a beautiful day today. Would you like to go for a walk with me? Yes, said Heron. I love to walk in the morning. We can walk to the meadow, said Turtle. Then to the lake. Sounds good, said Heron. But friend Heron, cried Turtle, you go too fast. Wait for me. Where are you, Turtle? Heron called. I'm here, said Turtle. But friend Heron, you're still walking too fast. I'm sorry, Turtle, said Heron. It's because I have very long legs, and you have very short legs. I'll try to walk slower. But in a moment, Turtle shouted, Hey, Heron, wait up. You're going too fast again. Heron sat down. Turtle, I'm so sorry. You're walking too slow and I'm walking too fast. How can we go for a walk together? It isn't easy, but I have an idea, said Turtle. Come ride with me in my boat. You will have no trouble keeping up. What a good idea, said Heron. I love floating in your boat with you on this beautiful summer morning. Hello, Turtle, said Heron one afternoon. I was just walking by your house and thought how nice it would be to stop by and see you. Come on in, said Turtle to his friend. I'm glad to see you, Heron. That's when Heron wanted to visit Turtle one day. Sorry for the unexpected visit, said Heron. That's okay, Turtle said. I'll fix a delicious lunch for us. Just wait a second and everything will be ready, Turtle said. Don't go to any trouble, dear Turtle, said Heron. I'm sorry to keep you waiting, said Turtle. I hope you aren't bored. No, not at all, said Heron. I'm almost finished, said Turtle. Just one last footstool. Now everything is ready, Heron, and the two friends sat down to lunch. Perfect, said Heron. I'm so glad you visited me, Heron, said Turtle. I'm glad that I visited you too, Turtle, said Heron. You're a very good friend, thank you, said Turtle. I'll try. How Turtle and Heron were enjoying a summer evening in the lake. One summer evening, Heron and Turtle were sitting on a log by the lake. I love sunset on the lake, said Heron. Me too, said Turtle. I love listening to the choir of frogs on our lake, said Heron. Me too, said Turtle. I love the music of the pond, said Heron. Me too, said Turtle. I love the moon in the sky and the stars mirrored in the water on the lake. And I love beavers both floating between the stars and moon mirrored in the water on the lake, said Heron. Me too, said Turtle. Would you like to know what else I love about this beautiful summer evening? Said Turtle. Sure, said Heron. I would love to know. I love enjoying this beautiful summer evening with you, Heron, my best friend, said Turtle. You're my best friend too, Turtle said. You're my best friend too, Turtle, said Heron. And they both watched the moon and the stars reflecting in the lake together and smiled happily. That's Valery Gorbachev. He emigrated from the Ukraine in 1991 with his wife and two children. While living in the former Soviet Union, He was beloved illustrator of over 40 children's books, many of which he also wrote. Since his arrival in the United States, Mr. Gorbachev had continued to produce well-loved children's books. He particularly enjoyed the warm and witty exploration of friends and friendship in such books as That's What Friends Are For, The Big Trip, One Rainy Day, and Where Is the Apple Pie? Four Philomel favorites. Mr. Gorbachev lives with his family in Brooklyn, New York.